I heard it beep. Is it on? It's on. Nice. All right, so we finally got an actual fridge. It's not quite a full-size fridge, but it's bigger than that guy. Pan to that one. You see that guy over there, Ryan?
Rest in peace, mini fridge.
Come here. Okay. Oh, it's not funny? Look at that. So we got this guy in the original office full of, well, this is what's in my fridge. We got some wine, lime, mustard. That's not mustard, that's mayonnaise. What am I talking about? Pizza and other stuff, that's not important. More important thing is we got this guy. So we're gonna open this up and install her and put it in the kitchen so we can fit more beer, more like healthy drinks and food in there. So we're also filming this for a little video we're doing with Ryan. So stay tuned for that.
I zoomed in on your hands when you're clipping it, so you can use that part for the
video we're doing. All right, so I'm letting Ryan do this. He has the honors.
Oh.
Epic. You excited?
You know what's funny? We didn't even need to cut this. Because I just realized it's like the whole one.
Yeah! It's beautiful!
Whoa.
What do you think, David?
I like it.
I think David and I put it back together pretty good last time.
Wait, so tell them why this is our second one. What happened to the first one?
God damn it got me again.
It's that shot.
It's our second fridge. Because,
Don't say, oh boy.
Because when we first got it, this was like crushed. And then we were like, okay, we can deal with that. And then we took it out, and then there was like a dent in the bottom. We were like, what the hell? Someone dropped this thing. Like, let's just.
Well, let's inspect it. Any other dents anywhere?
I don't see.
Oh, there's a little one here.
Really?
Yeah. I can see it. Feel it?
Yeah. What the F, man? It's got to be just the packaging. They probably have like thousands of these things. First things first. Gotta make sure this door is on the right side. Because nobody likes it when it swings out and then blocks everything. Some people just don't take the time to just get a little handiwork in, you know, a little elbow grease.
Tool time with Ryan.
Tool time with Ryan.
Good thing we have you, Ryan.
God.
I don't know what we would have done.
Revise my job description.
If I just cried, I think.
Probably. You just accepted it. And then you just would have dealt with the annoying door swinging into the freaking countertop. The final screw. The only one that's showing. There we go. It's awkward. Awkward.
Okay.
Alright, so last step, assembly. Gonna plug it in, right, Ryan? Like a glove. Look at this. The moment of truth.
A slight hum to let us know it's working.
Alright, there you go.
And the purpose as to why I put the doors on the other side.
See?
See? That way they don't block any of this area here.
Alright,
First one.
Dave's
Trying
gonna
it out.
christen it with his lunchbox. Here we go.
Mm-hmm.
Make it dramatic, David.
I will. Quarter fill water bottle in there, so we'll see how it fares.